So for the first meal, we've got some baked chicken thighs. Now, if you know me, I'm taking thighs over breast any day. We've got a creamy mushroom sauce that's gonna go on top of that. It's easy, but it's gonna add a lot of flavor. And then we've got roasted potatoes and veggies on the side. This one's low maintenance, low cleanup, throw everything on a baking sheet, bada boom, bada bing. All right, moving on, we're gonna be making green zucchini juice. Now this recipe is very nutrient dense. It's gonna help support your digestion, your heart health. It's good for your skin and your hair. There's just a bunch of benefits. So if you guys are interested in all of them, do a quick Google search. But I will also leave a link down below to the juicer I'm using. It's the Kuvings Auto 10. This is by far the best juicer I've used. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a code down there to save you some money. So go check that out. Now moving on to the final meal, we're keeping things quick and simple. We're going purple sweet potatoes, ground beef, carrots, and broccoli.